At this point of time, I would like to tell you, for the record straight, Parth Samthan, Priyank Sharma have never been forcefully or touched or done things because both Parth and Priyank don't mind being touched by boys. I had decided that I will do this in a very nice way someday, where I'll win an Oscar or something, and I'll say that, listen, guys, I like human beings, I love human beings, and उसका मतलब यह है कि मुझे इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो लड़का हो या लड़की हो. So yes, I'm bisexual. आप मुझे ब्लैकमेल करके दिखाओ, आप में से कोई भी, कुछ भी. I'm not afraid at all. I am bisexual. I have been in relationships with both boys and girls, and as I grew up, I've had my share of things in life. My first relationship that I had, which was real, was with Parth Samthan. It was a relationship for almost 2 years. और 2 साल के बाद he ended up filing cases against me. Why? Because I was stopping him from leaving Yariyan, and he wanted to do something. He was lying. I know इस सब चीज़ों के बाद, knowing about me and how openly, most of you might not be very happy and might not want to hang out or whatever. वैसे भी कुछ नहीं hang out करता, लेकिन I'm okay with that. He did something, not just this. He broke me. He broke my heart for the first time. He broke my trust because I never thought कि कोई ऐसा इंसान भी हो सकता है जो इस तरीके के जोन में जाएगा. और फिर उसके बाद जो ह्यूमर्स फैलाने, चीज़ें करना. आपको याद होगा गौरी अरोड़ा ने उसके बाद एक वीडियो भेजा था जब मैं बिग बॉस के अंदर था कि विकास की गलती नहीं थी, उसे ब्लैकमेल किया गया था और बोला गया था कि ये होगा वो होगा. एनीवेज, मैं उस चीज़ में घुसता ही नहीं, मैं वो चीज़ें भूल गया था. एंड उसकी जो फिल्म बन रही थी जो नहीं हुई अभी तक, वो ख़त्म हो गई. जब 3 साल बाद वो वापस आया था ना, एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मैंने उस सब के बावजूद उसे माफ़ इसलिए किया बिकॉज आई डेफिनेटली रियली वांटेड दिस टू बी गोइंग इन अ गुड सेंस, बिकॉज मैं सब बुरी चीज़ों को भूलना चाह रहा था यार. और पिछले 5 सालों से मैंने कभी भी बाहर जाकर ये पब्लिकली नहीं बोला कि ही वॉज इन रिलेशनशिप विद मी, बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट हिम और हिज करियर टू बी इफेक्टेड. बिकॉज क्या है ना कि आई एम अ पर्सन लाइक दैट, लेकिन दीज पीपल आर नॉट. एंड फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू who think it's a fake story or whatever the fuck, I don't care, because I will put out only one post. After that, nothing else at all, because I want to do what I want to love doing this, which is making content, creating content, and working and writing. Parth Samthan, 5 साल पहले मैंने आपकी सब ये बकवास बातों के अलावा भी जाकर कभी ये नहीं पब्लिकली बोला, पर आज बोला क्योंकि आपने मजबूर किया. आप उन लोगों का साथ दे रहे हो जिन लोगों ने इतना परेशान किया मुझे. उसके बावजूद भी बी थैंकफुल दैट आई एम नॉट टेलिंग ऑल द डर्ट अबाउट यू. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट ऑल्सो. मुझे गंदगी नहीं फैलानी, लेकिन हाँ, मुझ पर अगर कोई भी गंदगी फेंकेगा उसको पता होना चाहिए आई डोंट लाइक डर्ट एंड आई विल नॉट अलाउ इट इन माई लाइफ एनी मोर. कमिंग बैक टू प्रियांक शर्मा. प्रियांक शर्मा, आपके बारे में बताना, आपके बारे में बोलना बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट है, क्योंकि आप डिफरेंट हैं, आपके इश्यूज़ हैं, मुझे मालूम है. प्रियांक शर्मा was the boy I was in relationship with, and the mistake that I have done is I have trusted two very bad human beings, very very bad human beings. ये जो 2 लोग बोल रहे हैं कि I have tried to touch them inappropriately or whatever the hell, no, I haven't. They love getting touched. They should know this. And as a matter of fact, I never believed in relationships with guys because I was always with women outside also. But yes, I did have feelings because boarding school से बाहर आया था मैं, तो मेरे experiences different रहे. It was Parth who told me that we can't be without being in a relationship. And so I was in a relationship where I invested a lot, and I got hurt. After which I and Priyank actually started as very good friends, but then it turned into something else, and yeah, And then it's turned into this disgustingness. Parth has said not anything about me. Parth has said enough about me. Parth has filed cases against me. And जो इंसान बुरा होने देता है, याद रखिएगा, और उसको बोल रहे हो आप, please tell the truth to people. They won't. They just won't. And I don't care about everyone else anymore, because if people are insensitive enough to not care about a person crying, then who will? I'm done with this all nonsense. It's disgusting. Priyank Sharma is a very confused, complex child. He is not well. I have to tell you that he is not well. It has been a long time that I have faced a lot more shit from him. And now, please call him and ask him all these things. And once they have their answers, whatever their answers will be, post that will I go ahead and release one final post of mine on this, which will close the matter for everyone. But for now, you should all know that मैं इंसान को प्यार करता हूँ. I've had my relationships. You know कितना डर लगता है मुझे. हर कोई फ्लर्ट करता है, हर कोई चीज़ें करता है लाइफ में, और मैं अगर करता हूँ और अगर मैंने स्नैपचैट पे चला गया, लोग ऐसे स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते हैं, आप बाहर कर देंगे, ब्लैक में. नो, एक इंसान जो कि लाइफ में अच्छा करने लगे और उसको हक नहीं रह जाता अपनी लाइफ जीने का, आपको मालूम है, क्योंकि खासकर समवन लाइक मी, आई हैड टू हाइड ऑल माई रिलेशनशिप्स. I cannot tell people anything about it. Very randomly, girls will also understand that there's a possibility that you can like both. So, for a relationship like that, it becomes very difficult. But now I am here. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to do, please do. Last time also I couldn't come up because that time legally, if you would say that you were gay or bisexual, you can go to jail. But now you can't. Thankfully, our country allows us. It's the Pride Month apparently. And I'm with pride telling you that yes, this is what I am, and this is how I'm going to be living my life openly. I will fall in love with the person, with the human being. It could be boy or a girl. That's not for you to decide or comment on. It will be for me to decide.